Today, I'm going to show you how to add insurance policies to your vehicles in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to the left, go to Settings, and go to Insurance. Then we click this button here that says Add New Insurance. On this screen, we can enter all of our insurance policy information. So for the policy number, let's go 12345. The company, we can go insurance company, effective date. We can leave this as is. Expiry date, we'll leave this as is. And named insured, we can go James Smith. Coverage, we can say comprehensive. City, we'll go Toronto. Street address, we can go 1000 Yonge Street. We'll leave the unit empty. Country, we'll go Canada. Province, we'll go Ontario. And postal code, we'll go A1A1A1. Now here on the right, we can select one or multiple vehicles to add to this insurance policy. For example, we can select the Honda Civic and the Toyota Jeep, and we can also search by VIN or by make. So for example, we can go Toyota, and we can select Toyota Sienna 2022. And once we're done all this, we can click Create. And we can see that's been added to this list of insurance policies. Now, if we click See More here, we can see all the vehicles that it got added to, and that's it. Now you know everything you need to make insurance policies in Shift.